I'm Alex from the future, and come with me if you want to grow some hair. All right, guys, I'm pretty excited. I finally got a hold of it, the Growband Pro. This thing has been sold out constantly, making it hard for even me to get a hold of. So when I finally got it, I'm pretty stoked because it's supposed to be pretty awesome. So the whole concept behind this device is that it stimulates blood flow to promote hair growth. So when you have this device, the whole idea is that it's supposed to inflate this outer band, push on my head, and like a massage, make blood go to my head. For the next 90 days, I'm gonna actually use the Growband Pro for 15 minutes. Let's take a look at the most important part. What are we starting with? This is my hair now. It's a little thin, I know, they tell me all the time, but with some patience and a little help, I think we're gonna get there together. All right, guys, month one with the Growband, and what a cool product. Like, it's so chill. I'm literally just hanging out here, relaxing, and I could be growing hair. That's pretty cool. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this thing's really lightweight, so I've had no issue with like rocking it around the house or doing my thing. Something cool about this that is a little personal, but maybe you guys will find it interesting. Check this out. So after finishing up a session, there is a little bit of redness here, but I have kind of a squishy head, and to take a look, the Growband like pulls the wrinkles out. It's really strange, but let's say it helps with hair growth and with wrinkle reduction. We're gonna sell it for $1 million. Get in soon. Also then is the setting of the different modes. So the way it comes is a little bit shorter than I'd like, but it was really super simple to change. All I did is jump into the settings and kind of adjust this up for me. And then you click on your gear and you can change how long everything stays. So for me, I was going like 3-3-3, and then I kind of wanted a little bit longer. So I bumped it up to about 3-5. And from there, I just hit save. And what that does is it kind of makes it where it's gonna inflate for 3.5, hold it for 3, deflate for 3, and wait 1, which is super handy because it's kind of a flat number, basically 10 seconds for me. And yeah, I really can't complain that way. You guys might want to change that too, but usually you want to start a bit lower because when you first get it, it's going to probably be a little bit unusual of a feeling. But after this first month, I feel pretty comfortable with my settings here, but your results may vary. All right, guys, just wrapping up on my second month check-in. I found that the Growband is actually really easy to use in my daily because it doesn't take any extra prep. I literally just make sure it's charged and we're good to go. It charges up pretty quick and it gets me through about 3 sessions. I do enjoy it, it's quite peaceful. I found a lot of different things I can do while I do it, so that's a plus as well. All right, me from the past has said a lot. I don't have much else to say. I'm just gonna show you the result. It's awesome. Honestly, this has been the simplest process. It's an easy product to use. I put it on my head and I just wait. No smells, no mixtures, no strange rituals. I just wait. It's hard to explain. For so long, I've always worried about like waiting, I'm just gonna lose more hair. But now waiting actually grows hair. So this is only 3 months in and I'm already seeing results. I really can't wait to see what 6 months looks like, 9 months, 12 months. Growband Pro gets my double thumbs up recommendation.